If you find that turning your key to lock or unlock your door is becoming increasingly difficult, don't worry. This short video, with 3 easy steps, will help you to adjust your lock cylinder, also known as the barrel. For this task, you will need a crosshead screwdriver. Step 1. Open the door so that you can see the narrow edge, where the lock is. Look for the single screw, which is at the same height as the lock cylinder. Step 2. Turn the screw anti-clockwise a quarter of a turn to loosen it slightly. This will allow the cylinder to move up and down freely from its center point. Step 3. Turn the screw clockwise to tighten it again. This process will allow the lock cylinder to find its own settlement point, which will hopefully resolve the issue. You may need to repeat steps 2 and 3 several times to fairly test that the adjustment has been successful. If this doesn't work, contact us to let us know you've tried these steps and we'll look after you.